It's November 28th, 2023. I'm Stuart Stotts. Song premiere on Tuesday. Quick shout out to the collective, the feminist collective of Pussy Riot from Russia, standing up to autocracy. I heard an interview with them today and been aware of them for a long time. And incidentally, Bill Harley was challenged to write a kid song about that. He called it Putty Wyatt. Brilliant. Probably not available for most people, but it was hilarious. And then Tom and I have a song called Dinner in the Bathtub. If you're looking for another food song, that's on Everybody Started Out Small. And so thank you very much for being here. It's just a food song. Mama, she's cooking up dinner. She's cooking up something to eat. She's always a winner, whether it's savory or sweet. Come on in, grab yourself a seat. She does wonders with a plant-based meat. Mama cooking up a dinner, cooking up something to eat. Daddy, he's a cooking up dinner. He's cooking up something hot. Nobody's getting any thinner, 'cause it sure hits the spot. Grab a plate, take my advice. You don't want to miss that stir-fried rice. Daddy, he's a cooking up a dinner. He's cooking up something hot. I'm a cooking up dinner, my favorite recipe. I'm more of a beginner, but it's on the box for me. Come on in, taste it please. It's just good old mac and cheese. I'm a cooking up dinner, it's my favorite recipe. We're all cooking up dinner. Grab a spoon or a fork or a knife. Well, we'll fry and simmer, and cooking is our life. Add a little butter, add a lot. Too many cooks won't spoil this pot. We're cooking up dinner, 'cause we know that cooking's life. Well, we all call each other chef. We're gonna cook till nothing's left. We're cooking up dinner, we're cooking up something to eat. Thank you very much for being here.